Hello everyone, welcome to this series of mathematics lessons. This is a continuation of the previous lecture. Now let us see the first case. When three sides are given, we need to construct a triangle when three sides are given. Constructing a triangle when the lengths of three sides are known. Side, side, side criterion. The meaning of this word could be the condition. Side, side, side condition. Let us see example 1. Construct a triangle ABC given that the length of AB is 5 cm, length of BC is 6 cm and the length of AC is 7 cm. This is a rough sketch which would be helpful while constructing a triangle. We need a rough idea, right, before constructing. So drawing a rough sketch is a useful thing. First we need to draw a rough sketch. Here we are given the lengths of the triangle. So just try to draw a rough sketch of the given data. Step 2. This is where the actual construction starts. Draw a line segment BC of length 6 cm. Here we drew a line segment of 6 cm. Here we have used a scale. Now let us use compass. Step 3. From B, point A is at distance 5 cm. Here we can see the length of BA or AB is equal to 5 cm. So with B as a center, draw an arc. A will be somewhere inside this arc. Now we need to find where exactly the point A is. For that, follow the step 4. The similar thing what we have done for point B, we will follow the same thing for point C. We know that the distance of AC is 7 cm. So keeping C as a center, draw an arc. We find a point of intersection. This is point A. Finally, in the step 5, join the line segment. Join AB and join AC. Here we have constructed a triangle making use of the length of three sides. Length of three sides are 6 cm, 5 cm and 7 cm. Now let us see the second condition where side, angle and side is given. Constructing a triangle when the lengths of two sides are given and the measure of the angle between them are known. Here the lengths of two sides will be given and the angle between them will be provided. Let us see example 2. Construct a triangle PQR given the length of PQ is 3 cm, length of QR is 5.5 cm and the angle between these two sides is 60 degree. Angle PQR is 60 degree. So this is our first step, that is making a rough sketch. This will be very helpful while constructing the triangle. Coming to the step 2, draw a line segment QR of length 5.5 cm. This length is already given. In this condition we have to use protractor. So keeping Q as a center, mark an angle 60 degree. Then draw a line segment QX. The point P must lie somewhere in this line segment. We need to find out that. Then take a compass with the radius 3 cm. Draw an arc on this line segment QX. So this is the point P. The length of PQ is 3 cm. Here you can see the length of PQ is 3 cm. Finally, we just need to join the line segment PR. We are just joining these 2 points to get this line segment PR. you can measure the length of PR making use of divider or scale. Coming to the third condition, angle, side angle. Constructing a triangle when the measures of two of its angle and the length of the side included between them is given. In this case, a line segment will be given and the measures of two angles will be given on this side. Let us see example 3. Construct a triangle XYZ given the length of side XY is 6 cm. Then angle ZXY and angle XYZ is given. The angle ZXY is 30 degree and angle XYZ is 100 degree. We need to construct a triangle making use of the given data. So this is our first step, drawing a rough sketch. Now coming to the actual construction, step 2, draw the line segment XY of length 6 cm. Then make use of protractor to mark the angle 30 degree. In the second step, at point X with angle 30 degree, we will draw a ray XP. Similarly, at step 4, we will draw a ray YQ such that the angle is 100 degree. Keep protractor, mark 100 degree and draw a ray. At this point, we need to locate the point Z. So now we will extend this ray XP. This ray will intersect at one point along this ray YQ. This is where it intersects. This is the point Z. In step 5, after extending this ray, we got the point Z. Finally, constructing a right angled triangle when the length of one leg and its hypotenuse are given. Let us jump into example 4. Construct triangle LMN, right angle triangle, right angled at M, given that the length of hypotenuse is 5 cm and the length of side MN is equals to 3 cm. This is a rough sketch, which is the step 1. Now let us construct an accurate triangle making use of the given data. Step 2, draw MN of length 3 cm. MN is already given. Step 3, and we know that the right angle is at M. So we will construct a perpendicular line at point M. At point M, we are constructing a perpendicular line. Now with M as a center, draw an arc of radius 5 cm. Here we can see in the given data the length of LN is 5 cm. So keeping N as a center, we will draw an arc of radius 5 cm. Here we drew an arc of radius 5 cm. This is point L. Finally, in the step 5, we are drawing this line segment. The triangle LMN is obtained. The content of this recording is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society, Bangalore under Fair Usage Policy. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.